Hi guys, and welcome to my seafood batch cook morning that I have actually just finished. But that's perfect because it means that I can show you exactly what I made. This is a 2-minute video, a 2-minute on my Learn tab on thebatchlady.com. This is a 2-minute video to show you exactly what you can make in only say an hour or so. And on this Batch Lady channel, I always like to show you how to make things that you can make in advance, put in your freezer and use later on for whenever you need them. And that's exactly what you could do with this seafood morning. It will save you time, waste and cost. And I'll go exactly in 2 minutes showing you exactly what I did. Okay, so I started off with a side of smoked salmon, a tub of prawns and a tub of crayfish. That was my main things that I had bought at the supermarket that I knew I wanted to use. So originally I started off because I wanted to make this lovely smoked salmon patty, okay? And I wanted to make, it's smoked salmon and crayfish, and I wanted to make it to put in the freezer. But in order to do that, I had to buy a tub of everything that I needed. I had to buy the smoked salmon, I had to buy the crayfish, and I had to buy the prawns. So, to save waste, because if you want to make something like this, you always end up with leftovers. I bought big tubs of everything and decided that I was going to make it into other recipes. So we did make our smoked salmon, which is ready, smoked salmon patty, which is ready to go. We also made these wonderful little parcels in these little tubs here. We made parcels of smoked salmon parcels filled with the patty, and this one's frozen already. This is frozen, just ready to bring out for a supper party or perhaps for Christmas Day for your for a starter or a ladies' lunch, something like that. Okay, so we still had a bit left, only a small bit, so we put the crayfish and the prawns that were left into some pasta bags, and we're making, these are raw dump bags that is salmon and crayfish linguine. Okay, so I put in some chopped onions, some frozen peas, some of the patty that was left over, that I had some already shop bought patty, and now that I've made my lovely homemade, I knew I wasn't going to use, so I've added a bit of that in, a lemon, and that's going to make 2 family meals of pasta. I then heated up some couscous that just took 5 minutes. I put some prawns and the crayfish and added some salad to a box, and that's going to be a lunch for me and another lunch for my husband this week. And I'm not going to be fed up of these ingredients because the majority of this is going on the freezer, so we wouldn't have tasted it anyway. So I've made it, now I get to enjoy a bit of the ingredients without feeling like I'm eating them for the whole week. And again, another one that we made that was that we just added very similar ingredients, missed out the couscous, and are just having it with lovely wholemeal wraps. So I have managed, out of 3 tubs and a side of smoked salmon, to make 4 lunches, 2 family meals of pasta, some starters for a very fancy meal, and a whole load of salmon patty. I've made it all in the same morning, using the same ingredients and using also the same utensils, so I can use them over and over and over again without having to do lots of washing up. Get giving it a go. This is the seafood batch cook morning. Ta-da!